If you are currently burning yourself out trying to create unique, totally different pieces of content for every single social media platform, you need to stop right now. The secret to scaling your presence isn't creating more from scratch, but rather mastering the art of intelligent video repurposing. We have all seen people attempt to repurpose content, but it often fails because they just chop a horizontal video into vertical clips and spam everything at once. That lazy blast it everywhere strategy is essentially garbage, and it is the fastest way to annoy your audience while getting zero engagement. You cannot simply post the exact same clip on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube on the same day and expect the algorithm to reward you with viral magic. To really understand this, we need to talk about being omnipresent, which is just a fancy way of saying you show up everywhere your audience hangs out. Your audience is fragmented, meaning some people live on TikTok, while others refuse to leave Instagram Reels or YouTube, so you need to meet them where they are. Step 1 of a Reel strategy is creating one high-quality, long-form piece of content, like a deep dive YouTube video or a podcast episode. Step 2 is intelligently turning that single core asset into a library of platform-specific posts that actually resonate with different viewers. Most creators fail here because they either ignore repurposing entirely, which is a massive waste of effort, or they just spam the same clip everywhere. The better move is to be strategic about which segments of your long video fit specific platforms and then schedule them to land at the right rhythm. The truth is, inside your average long-form video, there are probably 10 to 15 little gold nuggets or sound bites that could pop on social media. The real problem is picking the right moments, because if you randomly clip the intro or a dull soundbite, you are missing what actually grabs attention. If followers see the exact same clip across all your platforms at the same time, they get bored, and you lose the chance to build a drip-fed content calendar. This is exactly where a tool like Vizard changes the game by using AI to surface the highest potential moments from your footage. I want to be clear that this is a practical tool you can use in your workflow, not just some advertising fluff. Vizard automatically identifies viral-worthy parts of your long videos, creates ready-to-post clips, and helps you schedule them for maximum impact. It acts as your content manager, using AI to figure out which 30-second segments will actually thrive on platforms like TikTok or Reels. Let us walk through the workflow, starting with step 1, uploading your long-form file, whether it is a YouTube link or a raw camera file. The system analyzes the entire video, detecting vocal inflections, laughs, and those crucial aha moments that tend to blow up on social media. Step 2 is defining your goals, such as short hooks for TikTok, educational clips for Instagram, or demos for YouTube Shorts. You can set specific rules for clip length and tone, ensuring the AI prioritizes the punchlines and how-to steps you actually want. Step 3 is letting the AI auto-edit, where it pulls multiple clips, formats them for vertical orientation, and adds your brand templates. It even handles the captioning and suggests optimized text to accompany your posts, effectively giving you a bank of content in one click. Step 4 is where the magic happens. Smart scheduling that staggers your posts so your audience sees fresh content over weeks, not all at once. This workflow turns one single long video into a sustainable stream of posts that respects platform differences and audience tolerance. While there are other clipping tools out there, most of them stop at basic extraction and do not help you manage the posting cadence. Vizard is built for the full repurposing lifecycle, focusing on virality, platform specifications, and intelligent content management. If you are managing multiple channels or a team, having a single source of truth for your calendar and approvals is a lifesaver. For example, we once took a 20-minute YouTube explainer and turned it into 9 distinct clips. ranging from funny one-liners to deep educational dives. Instead of dumping them all at once, we spread them over 4 weeks with different captions, resulting in significantly higher engagement across the board. Another interesting use case is sports parents, who can use the tool to quickly pull specific player highlights from hours of chaotic game footage. Here are some tactical tips. First, stagger your posts across platforms so your content has time to breathe. Second, customize your captions for each platform, as TikTok requires a different vibe than a professional Instagram post. Third, build an evergreen bank of clips from every long video you produce and rotate them through your content calendar. Finally, use brand templates for your captions and colors to ensure your content looks consistent regardless of where it lives. If you are currently clipping manually and using a separate scheduling tool, you are wasting time that could be spent creating more value. The beauty of a tool like this is that it bridges the gap, allowing you to be omnipresent without the exhaustion of doing it all by hand. Repurposing does not have to be complicated, and it certainly does not have to feel like spam. The key is strategy. Pick the right moments, format them properly, and post them in a way that keeps your feed feeling fresh. If your goal is to grow, sell, or get noticed, stop doubling down on busy work and start compounding your reach with smarter systems. I encourage you to test Vizard on just one long video and see exactly how many quality clips it can surface for you. You might be genuinely surprised by how much usable content you have already created that just needed better distribution. Go create one great thing, let it live everywhere, and stop feeling like you have to do 20 different jobs to be seen. Good luck on your journey to becoming omnipresent without losing your mind.